Team and partners, so excited for 2025. Welcome to the new year. This is the annual company memo. The theme for this year is urgent speed and long term vision. So, 2025 is the launch phase for Landed Leads. Land industry is in its early chapters. We're at the forefront of writing its future right now. This feels like the early days of the internet with AI. We see an industry on the verge of transformation, one where AI and human talent are converging to unlock crazy opportunities. This isn't business as usual. We know the landscape is very competitive, and that's exactly what keeps us sharp and relentless at Land Leads. We're building something entirely new for land investors, and the opportunity ahead is massive. First, let me address our remarkable growth. In 2024, we expanded from a team of 5 to nearly 40 people. We grew our client base from 3 to 20 callers, and we achieved 500% growth. But the numbers aren't what excite me. It's how we got there. We transformed from a simple cold calling service into a done for you system for land investors that captures and qualifies leads. 2024 taught us something crucial, that being a lead gen company wasn't enough. When Spencer joined as our COO, we discovered that our biggest challenge wasn't just getting leads, it was helping our clients handle them effectively. Spencer was the one who sharply pointed out that was our bottleneck. And so we started attacking that problem with all of our resources, and that helped us grow to where we are. Gone are the days when successful land investors can just send 500 mailers at a time, get deals, and keep cranking out revenue. Land investors need more, and we evolved to meet that need. Today, our edge comes from a powerful combination of human cold callers, which can't be automated due to US regulations, backed by strong automations, processes for everything else. So instead of just pumping our clients full of leads, watching them churn, we help our clients convert those leads into actual deals by sorting through the best ones and then staying in touch with the rest with an epic nurture system. This brings me to what I believe is our most significant achievement in 2024, which was solving our customer retention problem. So early on, we were actually doing our job too well. Clients were pausing their service because they couldn't handle all the leads that we were giving them. We'd give them 150, 200 leads over the course of 3 months, and they'd say, "Hey, I need to pause and catch up with all of this." So our response wasn't to slow down. Instead, we built full systems to help our clients succeed. By adding CRM management and lead qualification services, we reduced our churn rate from 30% to under 10%. So this is a picture of one of our core principles. Our success is directly linked to our client success as partners. Why speed matters more than ever. The AI revolution has accelerated everything. So what used to take months now takes weeks. What took weeks now takes days. But speed without direction can just be chaos. So we have a strong long-term vision for the land space, and we're building that grounded in our 5 core values, which are face melting speed, pursuing excellence, building trust, automating and simplifying everything, and then for the team to have ideas, grow, and learn. In 2025, we're betting big. We're betting there's going to be one dominant player in the land investment services, and the winner is going to deliver end to end solutions powered by automations that never sleep, from leads to closed deals. With AI driving consolidation in the industry, we're racing to build that all in one system for our clients as fast as possible. Our moat is widening. While others chase client numbers and basic lead generation, we're building something much deeper. Our lead management and qualification systems already set us apart, but what's coming next will transform the industry for our clients. So here's what we're focusing on in 2025: going deep with our partners. We're taking a radically different approach from our competitors. So instead of racing to collect as many clients as possible, we're focusing on 10 to 20 elite land teams, and we want to scale them to 4 or more callers with $1 million profits for each team. We're driving deeper into partnerships with our clients because their success is our success. So this isn't about getting more clients, it's about making our current clients more successful. 2, unlocking dead lead value. So here's something incredible. Land investors are sitting on thousands of dead leads that they've written off as worthless. We are building AI nurture sequences that are going to automatically follow up with those leads for years, and eventually reactivating dead leads and booking calls on our clients' calendars through conversational AI, text, and email. So think about that. We're not just generating new leads, but we want to bring dead leads back to life. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a competitive advantage for our clients. You can just imagine if one lead turns into a deal over the course of a year, that could be 10,000 or likely far more profit. This compounding over time can turn into a serious revenue stream for clients, and it's all automated. Third, the future of voice AI is now. We're building for tomorrow. So we're developing and testing voice AI systems that will eventually replace traditional inbound call services like Pat Live. So when voice AI technology reaches the right level of sophistication, which it's close and it will, we'll be ready to deploy it instantly. So our clients aren't just going to get a call service outbound. They will also get a scalable AI powered solution that never sleeps. So when someone calls back, they'll always get an answer and no one will slip through the cracks. We have a launch phase mentality with a long term vision. Despite our growth in 2025, this is still the launch phase for Landy Leads. We're reinvesting all of our profits back into the company, operating like a professional sports team and optimizing daily. This isn't about short term profits, it's about building the future of land investment services for our clients specifically. We encourage calculated risk taking across all levels of our organization. So if a decision is reversible, we move fast and we learn from the results. Our lead manager program is a great example of our company culture. So the lead manager program department started as just a quick experiment and it grew into a core part of our business. So this is a kind of innovation that we're going to continue to push forward in 2025. We're going to stay on the bleeding edge because we think that's necessary. AI is moving faster than most people realize. Looking ahead, the land industry is becoming more sophisticated, more professional, and more competitive. Small teams can now be incredibly effective with the right tools and systems. Our mission is to give entrepreneurs the freedom to chase big goals, growing their businesses, making more money, and building lasting success without sacrificing time for family and life. We help entrepreneurs reclaim the dream they started with. To our legendary team members, your ideas matter. Keep pushing boundaries, taking calculated risks, and finding ways to automate and simplify everything. To our clients, we're not just your service provider, we're your partner in building the future of land investment. When you win, we win. Remember, we're still in the launch phase. Let's crush it this year. Happy 2025.